Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a cozy fall rainy day, so grab your hot drink and let's spend the day together. I woke up to the sound of rain this morning, and honestly there's no better feeling. Let's get some light in here. Well, not much light, it's gloomy outside but still cozy. Everything feels quiet and cozy, honestly, the perfect day. Time to get ready for the day. A girl gotta do her business. Bathroom routine as usual, cold water hits different on a rainy day. Time to change. Today's outfit is simple and comfy cozy sweater, jeans, and my favorite boots. Perfect for a chilly day. Time to make breakfast. Making some fluffy pancakes for breakfast. And of course, a cup of coffee to go with it. I spent the rest of the morning cleaning up the house. I love when everything smells fresh and clean on a rainy day. I'm going to walk to my favorite little coffee house to finish some work.
What would you like to order?
I would like a hot chocolate and a chocolate donut, please.
Okay, that will be $7.60.
Okay, here you go, thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready in any minute. Order for Chloe?
That's me. Got myself a hot chocolate and a chocolate donut, the perfect rainy treat. Walking back home was so peaceful. Just me, the rain, and cozy fall vibes. When I got back, I decided to make something warm for lunch, a cozy beef stew. The whole house smelled so good. It's that kind of comfort food that just makes a rainy afternoon perfect. After lunch, I decided to take a warm bath. The rain was still falling outside and it just felt like the perfect moment to unwind. I scrolled through TikTok for a while. It's my guilty pleasure, honestly, but it's my little me time moment. After my bath, I did my skincare routine toner, serum, moisturizer, and of course, my gua sha. Then I slipped into my coziest pajamas. I'm telling you, nothing beats this feeling. Now I'm going to make dinner. While dinner was cooking, I read for a bit. For dinner, I made salmon with asparagus. And of course, I can't forget the orange juice. Then ended my night watching a cozy series on the couch. Pure fall comfort.
You're impossibly fast and strong. Your skin is pale white and ice cold. Your eyes change color. And sometimes you speak like...
Thank you for spending this rainy day with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night, everyone.